Retrofitting is a crucial for ensuring structural safety, especially in disaster-prone areas. It strengthens old buildings, bridges, and infrastructure to withstand the earthquakes, flood, and landslide. By retrofitting, we can save life, protect heritage, reduce repair cost, and boost resilience. Dear friends, the retrofitting is one of the very useful technique for everyone. Upcoming times, it is a very needful for the society and urban areas and village areas also. Which area which is affected to the earthquakes, floods, and any natural disasters, and many more buildings are which is very old. Their structure member is damaged. Then, with the help of retrofitting, we are find out the weak members of the structure, and with the help of shear wall insertion, jacketing, their strength can be increased. Dear friends, many structures, not only for buildings, the retrofitting is a very useful for the open structure as like a slope protections areas, as like a slope stabilization of the mountains, as like when the slope is protected in the mountain, then water pressure has weakened these structures. Water flowing beneath the mountains puts constant pressures. Then, on how to retrofitting saves heritage and boost strength. Because of the water is storage under the structures, then a pressure is created on the structures. Then we have need to retrofitting and they are repairing. The retrofitting is strengthening old structures, repairs, and reinforcement with a new tech protection for the future threat. Dear friends, cut to the visuals of the water seepage and pressures points. The water pressure means our engineers use drain systems and slope stabilization because of which water which is stored under the structures through the drainage systems, water is passing out and the structures will be safe. Cut to workers doing the slope protections work and in the mountains. Tunnel lining, rock bolting, and geogrid, RE walls. This all structures is coming the retrofitting. When you see an old bridge damage in a earthquake, the post retrofitting it's three times stronger, but the 50% lower cost and 100% more safety. Dear friends, the retrofitting is very needful and very useful for the society. Due to this, we can save the millions of people life. For the example, if you visit the Patna, Bombay, Delhi, and many more the big cities, when you found that the many peoples are dead every year due to the accident because of he lives in the old buildings and due to the poverty they are lost their life. So the government has to be need to carefully take the action against the old buildings and on the times retrofitting is need these types of structures. Because if the old structure at a risk facing natural disaster threats, save lives choose retrofitting, dear friends. And with the help of shear wall and jacketing, we can provide the strength of the structural members as like a beam, columns. Dear friends, the retrofitting is crucial for the ensuring structural safety, especially in disaster-prone areas. It strengthens old buildings, bridges, and infrastructure with withstand earthquake, flood, and landslides by the retrofitting. This is my second lecture. My name is Dilip Kumar Das, and in the previous video, uh, um, I'm described about the retrofitting introductions, but this is my second lectures. In the second lectures, uh, I will tell you, please see carefully, and if any doubt, if any, if you want to give some suggestions about retrofittings, then you are free and comment in the comment box. Because of we all are try to better in the field of civil engineering, and we all are try to do the save the lives of the people of India, protect heritage and reduce repair cost and boost resilience and save the lives. This is my motto, and this is the purpose of the retrofitting research. The retrofitting process typically involves the first of all assessment, inspecting the structures, current conditions, and their designs, planning reinforcement strategies, and strengthening, adding the support columns or new materials, and seismic upgradations, enhancing resistance to the earthquake, and testing, ensuring the structures meet safety standards. The first of all, when you assessment their load and their weak members, and note down all the weak members of the structures, visual inspections, and testing to be identify the weakness, evaluating the structures current loading, bearing capacity, and identifying the potential risk and hazards. The second is the design, creating a tailored retrofitting plan and selecting the suitable materials and techniques.